Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in 𝐂𝐤𝐻 platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates, notification, informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on 𝐂𝐤𝐻 platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So if we talk about guys today's important update, then Fluid Control Research Institute released their requirement for the research engineers and junior research engineers. So for research engineer, graduation plus experience requirement is there. So if you talk about the research engineer, then you will get a level 8 pay scale 47,600 to 1,51,100. Graduation in mechanical engineering opportunities there, civil engineering, electrical electronics engineering and instrumentation engineering opportunities are there. For general age limit is 30 year, OBC 33 year, SC 35, ST 35 or EW as 30 is the age limit. The application form filling is starting from the 24/7/2026 and the last date is 24/8/2026. Rest if you talk about guys, the notification is also available in other languages. So those students who want to apply, you require the same type of qualification. So the detailed qualification criteria is also explained here. So JRF basically graduation degree requirement is there. So if you having the graduation degree, you can definitely explore it. Rest minimum educational qualifications you required, okay, as per the government guideline. So like if you talk about the salary part, then for JRE 83,800 is your salary, and if you selected a research engineer, 1 lakh is your salary. So definitely good amount of salary is there. The official website is FCRIindia.com, so you can definitely visit this official website, upload your all the documents. They are going to conduct the written test. So 100 number of questions, 120 minutes, and maximum marks is 400. 4 marks for correct question, 0 marks for unattempted question, and 1 marks for negative question. So examination syllabus and every details they also attach in this PDF. So at the end part, you can check the every branch syllabus is also there. So we will share this PDF in Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel. You can definitely visit the Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel and you can download this PDF, and those students who are eligible to apply, then definitely they can explore the opportunity. So every branch syllabus is there, like civil engineering syllabus you can check. Similarly for the other discipline, and the like some post experience asked, so experience certificates, caste certificate, these all attached in this particular PDF. And the part wise syllabus is also there, like reasoning, numerical ability, 15 number of questions they are going to ask. And part B is like probability, statistics, data science, programming, measurement. And part C specific engineering discipline, like if you are applying for mechanical syllabus like that. So accordingly they are going to shortlist you. So detailed syllabus and every details are available. Rest you can join Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel. So we will keep providing you such type of updates and all. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.